Hei hi Akashvani Aizawl ani Chanchinthar atsiar tu Marian zo thanpui Chief Minister Pulal du Oman Mizoram chu achunga cheng ti in ngi taka an chen theina chanpoi mo tak chu helpol omlo na state ani iwang ani ati Home Minister Puke sabdang chuan Mizoram Home Guard hi din hunza omle changkai taka hlan kai ani don ti asoi Union Minister Pralhad Joshi chu Dharmendra Pradhanan banna thelu nuwa Education Minister Atan Rat ani Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan voin pathiani chmatar som pakhat hian man ki baat program ram chung ne rampon mi puite hena thu soile don Chief Minister Pulal du Oman Mizoram chu achunga chengte in ngei taka an chen theina chanpoi mo tak chu helpol omlo na state ani iwang ani ati a nimina Aizawl joint nampol mit sanghi somni paruk Joint Nampua Students Organization JHSO buat sai amanpui na he thu hisoin Chief Minister chuan kumin April ni somthum khan nampua helpol omchun HPC D lalming thanga sanate faction te chuan ral thuam te tungin Mizorama nampua helpol omto lovin remna le mwana chu atak ramin alo thlen thu asaya helpol omlo na state chomnung zel turin kalkhom te chu afui bok ani Chief Minister chuan zofa te chu inpum khata an apoi mo thu asaya nam inpum khatna turin chong thumun mantla na poimu a Mizorama nampal tinten mani chong cheu hum hal chungin in pole zwal turin chong thumun man thei achol ati a joint nampal mit buat sai tu JHSO hi nampal zirlai pol shang Mizoram Bomb Students Union Ranglong Student Union Mar Student Association, Pangzir Lai Pol, Siam Sin Pol P, Lai Students Association Le, Mara Students Association in Zomkhom Anni. Home Minister Puke sabdang chuan Mizoram Home Guard chu din hunza omle changkai taka hlan kaya ni don ti asoi Puke sabdang hian tu nai khan MRHG Basic Training 42nd Batch Passing Out Parade chu CTI ya manpuya Home Minister chuan Home Guard volunteer lakdan le enkol dan mumal tak omchin chu ngai poimu ani ngai lawa laina le du sakzong in thun khom na atan man alo ni chin ati Home Guard lakdan kalphungthar siam ani atia tun achang chuan HSLC pasin chaudil thein siam ani atia physical fitness test in mark apuanga atling te chu uluk takin interview nei anianga mark muchadan indo thiang hnim takin lak ani to don atibok Home Minister na seidanin Home Guard volunteer post ruak somkwa pali atan dil tu sangli chuang zinga graduate ringot po sangtel an oma kumthum atan lak anianga annung chang enin tho chun zomanga kumsom rugan tlin thlenga po sei thei ani MRHG volunteer titan an ban huna an chhapui tur PE saving scheme duansak anni ramchhung state tin athisen pek tum Delhi mi atul singh chu Nimin Khan Mizoram localin mamo tu titan Civil Hospital Aizawl athisen pe atul singh hi Delhi changa local ni in Mizoram alo thlenga Minvek Khan Civil Hospital Aizawl amamo tu titan thisen ape a heti hian state somni pali athisen ape to a state pali Tripura Manipur Kerala le Tamil Nadu at thisen pe kalamaba kani Akashvani Aizawl news zone changin atul singh chuan hetianga ramchhung state changshanga thisen petura ma alak chanjo chalai tele mipui nolpui te thisen petura chophurna le ril ruhisel na chungchang zawzo ka thedar ani ti asoi
Hi, I am Atul Singh from Delhi. I visited Mizoram and donated blood at Civil Hospital. Mizoram is the 24th state covered under my mission to travel across India, donating blood to raise awareness for blood donation and mental health. Now only 4 states are left, that is Tripura, Manipur, Kerala and Tamil Nadu.
Chanchinthar hi Akashvani Aizawl changapuan ania AIR News Aizawl YouTube channel All India Radio News Aizawl Facebook page le newsonair.gov.in te Chanchinthar hi ngai thlak le chiar theiada ani voin chnu dar ni le chanvia Chanchinthar puan le ani ang Drone Training Capsule 1 NER masaber chu State Training Center le Mizoram University Tanshil Aizawl tuntha July ni sompanga achanga ni min thleng khan hloting takanei ani he training program a hian 09 group Headquarters of NCC Directorate, Northeastern Region IO NCC Cadet Zali Sompali Antela, Cadet Tehian, Drone Technology, Swak Tharle, Technical Lama Shana Poimole, Operational Skills Tenen, Kim Sang Takin Anzira, Cadet Tehian Solomon's Temple, Aizawl Peak View, Lela Savunga Park, Aizawl Tiamin, Aizawl Munpoy Motaktak, and Tlobok Ani. Mizoram Football Association in India Independence Day den chana abuat saichin I-Day Football Tournament sangni samni parukchu naktuk achingin khelchan ani ang in elnahi RG Stadium ane ani dona Team Sompani anin Landona, Mizoram Premier League Team Pariat, Aizawl District Football Association First Division Team Pani Le, State Po na Chingin Team Pani, Gagam SC Charachan Po Lamka Le, RFYC Mumbai Te Anlaw Teldon ani. Nagtuka match masaber hit sumadar sompakata, San Mari Le din Tarten an Kheldona, Zonhulama Sai Kamakon Le, Mizoram Police Te anin Matsonve Le Bukang. Union Minister Pralhad Joshi chu Dharmendra Pradhanan Bana Athelu Nuwa Education Minister Atan Ruat ani a portfolio chelai mek thalavin Education Minister ni hi akobton ani Pralhad Joshi hi Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution New and Renewable Energy ani meka President Draupadi Murmu chuan Union Council of Ministers at sanga Dharmendra Pradhana Bana Thelu chu apom to ani. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan voin pathiani chumadar som pakhathian Man Ki Baat programa ramchhung le rampon mi puite hne na thu soile dona tunchum ami hi achum za somthum parok na tor ani ang he program hi Akashvani le Doordarshan Network pumpui AIR News website le News on Air mobile app ate ti chwa ani anga AIR News DD News PMO le Information and Broadcasting Ministry a YouTube channel a live stream ani bokang Chanchinthar charti tomnan Chanchintlang pui Chief Minister Pulal Duoman Mizoram chu achhunga chengte in ngi taka an chen theina chan poimo tak chu helpol omlo na state ani iwang ani ati Home Minister Puke Sabdanga chuan Mizoram Home Guard hi din hunza omle changkai taka hlankai ani don ti asoi Union Minister Pralhad Joshi chu Dharmendra Pradhanan Bana Athelu Nuwa Education Minister Atan Ruat ani Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan avoin pathiani chumadar som pakhathian Man Ki Baat programa ramchhung le rampon mi puite hne na thu asoile don chuti zong zo Chanchinthar kan puan thei chu ani